Now let us see how to convert degrees to radians. We have 4 examples here. I'll do 2 of them and the other 2 for you to practice. Convert each of the following angles to radians. 60 degrees. Now to convert degrees to radians, we know that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, right? Now we want to find what 60 degrees is equal to. So from here we can say 1 degree is equals to pi divided by 180. Is it okay? Now to find 60 degrees, we'll have to multiply this by 60, correct? So we divide by 180, the number 180, to get this unit in radians. Now we can multiply both sides by 60, so we get times 60. So this becomes 60 degrees, and here we have 60 times pi divided by 180, right? Now 60 by pi you can simplify, right? 6 goes 3 times because it's pi by 3 radians. So that is the exact value for 60 degrees in radians. Correct? You can use your calculator and find this to the number of decimal places, 2 or 3 as you wish, but that's the exact value. Now let's do the similar thing for 220 degrees. Now how to convert 220 degrees to radians? So I'll adopt a different method here. We'll say we got 220 degrees. We want to convert that to radians, correct? Now 1 degree, we know we can write 1 degree is how many radians, or we can also write, we know degrees we want to cancel out and we want to get radians as our unit. We also know conversion factor, that means pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, correct? So if I multiply 220 degrees with pi radians over 180 degrees, you can see as far as the units are concerned, degrees and degrees will cancel out and we'll get the answer in radians. Correct? So that is another way of finding or converting degrees to radians. I find this very simple because you don't have to remember anything, right? You get 220 degrees and we know pi radians is 180 degrees. So since we want the units in radians, we'll keep radian in numerator, divide by the degree equivalent, right? Cancel out degrees and get the units as radians for the given angle in degrees, right? So that is how we can actually solve this kind of question, correct? So now we can simplify, we can divide by 10, and now we can divide by 2, getting the answer as 11 over 9 pi radians, right? So 220 degrees is 11 over 9 pi radians. What we're writing here is exact values. If you want to decimal places, you can use calculator, right? Use pi and multiply by 11 divided by 9 to get the result. So that is how we can convert degrees to radians. Remember, 180 degrees is pi radians, and that helps to convert degrees to radians or also from radians to degrees. 40 degrees and 330 degrees, that's a practice question. Do these questions and now let us see how to convert radians to degrees. Thank you.